Today we're going to bring a pocket hole, and this is the Kreg pocket hole. We're going to set it up. We want to make sure we set this up in here so we could get reinforcements. So we're going to try it out and see how it works. Let's take a look at the actual set itself. Here you have it with two different holes right here, and actually it gives you the measurements if you guys can see that, and also adjustments in the back, so you could adjust it to the wood if you want. But my recommendation is you're going to need one of these grips here. I'm not sure what the name of it is. I'm not a professional on this. I'm not even a carpenter. I just do this for, for fun, some of the stuff I work with. So here it is. You can take it off, and the way that it's going to work, you're going to have to pull it back, right? So you pull it back like I am, and then you have to twist it, all right? Because it's like a puzzle piece. You got to make sure you twist it off properly because this actually fits in here, right? So I'm not going to use both of them. I'm gonna pull it back, like I said, pull this back. It's a little grip. The grip's a little hard sometimes, so pull it back, twist it, and then remove. So we're gonna use one right now to make a hole, one hole, and of course it's gonna go downwards. If you can see, they give you the actual drill itself, all right, the bit itself, all right, and it's very sharp. It's made for this particular entry. If you guys can see it, when you're drilling, it goes straight down. It makes a nice entry. Now they do give you screws, all right, indoor and outdoor, if you guys can see, long ones and short ones, and adjustment fittings, and some of the tools that you do require this one to actually drill the screws, because they're square screws, if you guys can see. All right, so we're gonna actually use it today. And of course, look at this, they give you tools, adjustments too, to readjust some of the screws too. So I'm going to use it today, minimum use, not a professional use. I'm just going to grip one of these and drill a hole that I need, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to go straight down this in an angle, right? So, all right, we're going to have to grip it after all. So I'm going to tighten it up. There it is. One hole entry. I change it out. The new one in, the shorter ones entry. There it goes. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing on the other end.